Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about making $500 plus per month doodling. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. How to make $500 or more as a freelancer by making doodle videos. How does doodle video work? Doodle is an animated video that gets people interested by drawing on a whiteboard as if it were done by hand. It's one of those things that can help you make up a story. It's a platform for video engagement that keeps customers more interested than a normal video. It is used every day for things like YouTube, business marketing, pitching messages, and even entertainment. So how does Doodle make money? Start your own business. On freelancing sites like Fiverr, 99 Designs, and Upwork, you can choose to make doodle videos for clients. Depending on how long each doodle video is, you can usually charge anywhere between $10 to $30 for it. For example, a 30-second video can cost $10 to $20. The great thing about Doodle is that you don't have to be a pro at editing videos or making content to start making real money with it. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you become a successful freelancer on Doodle. Buy a doodle making tool that is powered by AI. Make a doodle video making service gig on Fiverr. So as a beginner, you should set fair prices for your projects. Optimize your gig so that it shows up at the top of the Fiverr gigs or promote it at the top to get the first order. Deliver the order and make $10 per video. As you get more gigs and higher rankings, slowly raise your price and quality. To make $500 a month, all you need is a goal of 50 clients or gigs, which is very doable. 2. Make whiteboard videos for YouTube. Doodle is a gift for people like me who don't like to show their faces in videos and would rather hide behind a keyboard. You can make doodle videos about things that are popular or that interest you. You can actually make $1,000 from YouTube by using Doodle. So a goal of $500 should be easy to reach, right? Seeking is a Hindi language YouTube channel that passively earns between $888 and $5,000 per month. In an article, YouTube content creator Pratap Reddy confirms that whiteboard storytelling tools help a Hindi language YouTube channel make a good amount of money. So it's safe to say that you can really make $500 or more a month with Doodle. Follow these steps to make Doodle videos and upload them to YouTube that do well. The first one is choose a topic that is popular or that you are interested in, like product reviews, fun facts, motivational videos, videos about psychology, etc. Write a script about the topic you chose, such as 5 technology trends, how to succeed in business, and more. With an AI-powered Doodle video making tool, you can drag and drop to make a video. Make at least 30 videos and use Google Ads to promote them. When you have 1,000 subscribers, you can start making money off of your videos. Your passive income stream grows as the number of people who subscribe to your channel grows. So there are many ways to make money on the internet without doing anything. All you have to do is pick one method and stick to it. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.